sell it to like the seller, to the salesman, for about 1,000. So the person can get the profit.
That the price is somewhat lower than those in the market.
In Shopee, yeah, because we want like the person who will like sell it, so he is the one who will have the profit. So this is like how to help here that that people can earn profit.
Can also avail of the potable water.
Yeah. So it has like two goals that the households that they will use it, they will be safe, that it's good for their health, and also like the person who sells it, so he can get the profits.
We are not to use electricity in.
No, gravitation it's that you that here you put it and you wait.
So no electricity.
No electricity. So here you put it like the water. It can be from the rain too. It's fine. And it filters by this one. But this one it has like a small pores, so it goes in, and here you can like use it the whole day.
Is there any, if those will be full of impurities, is there a substitute, or we are going to replace the spray the one?
This one it will be like small.
So maintenance cleaning?
Maintenance, you have to clean it by the brush.
By the brush.
Like once a week. Just once a week, because the problem is that if you don't clean it, the pores get stuck and it will be slow.
So there is no need to replace the
spare parts. Yeah, this one you need to replace it each 9 to 12 months. It depends like how you use it. So let's say like 10 months. But if the schools are closed for 2 months, so here it's like a 12 months.
After 9 months, you will buy spare parts from you?
You will buy from the person who is like trained, not from us. So the person will like buy it from us at the price of cost, and the person will sell for it.
Are we assured that the price could not be manipulated by the one given the authority to sell your items? Might be, instead of having only a low price in your product, it will be sold by the one in higher price.
Higher price, it depends on him, but I think that he will not sell it for like more. We did it in Laos. They tried to sell it for more, but usually they don't buy it from them. So if you ask like a high price, you will not sell it. So you can ask, you can try it.
Maybe we will be buying that one, and then the person will given the authority to sell, will give us higher prices. Can we not have to control it, or giving only the leeway to the one to give the price?
That's why we need like someone who we can trust. So if you have friends or like that, you can trust.
Sir Mario,
Sir Mario, yeah, but for schools we give it for free.
Might be you will jack the price up. You will jack up the price.
I will sell it for 3,000.
So in your company you have also different funding sources to finance this one?
Yeah, because we are like INGO, so we get grant. But the problem is that the grant takes like very long time. I think in here it's too right. That if you like want to do something, you like need to write, and it takes a year, right? So it's the same for us. So it takes like 6 to 12 months to get funds. So this one we give for free to schools, but to households, we would like to help.
Because you need families, so you need also family.
Ranger.
Indigent.
Indigent.
Marginalized company.
For the poor, it would be the best if we like train them like how to sell. So they will get more cash and they can like improve their lives. So that's how we like did it in Laos. Yeah, but it's quite hard because usually like 1 out of 5 works. So if you give it to poor, it's nice, but the results, it's like usually 1 out